cold. It's cold. Don't be shocked.
Alright. Oh, shit. You find yourself kicking into survivor mode. Do I have enough water? Do I have enough basic food? Do I have enough water stored to bathe? Because you don't know how long it's going to be. We're pretty much trapped in this neighborhood. Because the farther towards the exit, the deeper it is. And that's not a comforting thought. So hopefully it's going to recede now enough to where we can get out to the main highway and see if the grocery store is open. At least when things like this happen back home, you have the help of the most powerful government in the world. Here, not even close. So, hopefully it's not going to be too hard to once again get back on our feet. Precious sun is finally coming out after a few days of hell and these Manila floods. So I think we're finally going to be able to go back home. Right now we're across the street in a high-rise apartment building where we had to flee from the flooding waters. I don't think it's any more than a knee high now, so we should probably be able to return back home, which is right there across the street. This is the second time in 10 years that I've experienced these awful floodings. First time around a few years ago, we lost over 90% of everything we owned. So this time around isn't nearly as bad in that sense, but it is worse in other ways, including at least last time. We had a friend's house to go to. This time around we had to go to a stranger's floor for the past few days, sharing it with 10 people. So never really get any sleep, and the bones and the muscles ache to the bone. But at least we did have some cover over our heads. And on goes the saga of being in a third world country away from home, since I can't leave my wife under these type of conditions. And so I continue to strive, one pen stroke at a time, hopefully being able to go back to the precious great US of A sooner than later. So when this all recedes, probably before then, I'll get back to resuming my writing and trying to dig our way out through the power of the pen.